Hello friends, and welcome to another special quick short episode of the Plastic Imagination Workshop. I've got a shop card to share with you, and I want to share real quickly some of the vintage kits that I just recently received from my brother-in-law, so stand by, we'll get right into that. Okay, so the shop card I got in this week was from Skip over at Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania. Skip, thanks for the card and thanks for the kind words on the back. Skip's got a really cool channel, lots of really cool stuff on there, and he builds all kinds of kits like I do. He's not just just cars or planes or anything. He builds all kinds of things, and I really like his channel. So if you haven't checked out Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania, please head over there and say hi to Skip, give him a sub, and we do this to keep the hobby going and to spread the hobby to as many people as we can and encourage people to get into it. So let's give Skip and all the other YouTubers out there a lot of support. Okay, I'm going to grab some of the vintage kits that I received. I'll be right back. Okay, so my brother-in-law, Kevin, thank you, Kevin, he got all these kits from an estate sale auction. And some of these kits are really old, and this is the first two of the lot. So this kit is the USS Missouri from Revell. This kit actually was purchased from JCPenney's for $4.99. What a bargain that was. And the release date on this is 1977. It's still sealed. Both of these, this is the Bismarck battleship by Revell, same scale, 570, 1x570. This one was also $4.99 from JCPenney's back when they sold models, and I actually do remember seeing models in JCPenney's when I was a kid. Again, both kits are sealed. The boxes are in excellent shape. I'll probably build one of these, if not both of them. I do have the modern version of the Missouri that I picked up a while ago. So maybe I'll do one of those comparison, the comparison between the one from 1977 and the one from the modern kit that was re-released in the late 2000s, I think probably 2019. So might do that. Hold on, let me grab some of the other kits. Okay, the next kit in the lot is the John Deere 310 backhoe and loader. This is a really neat kit. Again, it's completely sealed. It was bought from John Deere for $6.65. The date on the box is 1999. A really cool looking kit, actually, not super detailed, but maybe I'll build this one and we'll see if we can do a little better job on the detail and make it look like more of a realistic tractor. I do notice it is missing some details, like it doesn't have a lot of details on the arms here. It's missing one of the cylinders, and I don't know what else, but I haven't opened the box yet. This kit actually comes with non-toxic glue included. That'll be neat to see. So again, cool kit. I actually did a quick search on eBay, and I only found two of these, and they were pretty expensive. I was surprised. I saw a couple examples of the original box art from, I don't know when the original one came out. If you know, let me know in the comments. And then this is the more modern box art that they used in 1999. And this is an AMT Ertl kit. So I don't know, am I gonna build it? Am I gonna sell it? I don't know, it's still in the box. I kind of want to open it. Okay, well, hold on and I'll get the next kit. Okay, the next kit is huge. This is the Columbia Space Shuttle on top of the 747. This is a 1x144 scale, so it is big. The copyright date on this one is 1981. I actually remember seeing this in the stores. I think it was Kmart when I was a kid. I first saw it and I really wanted it, but couldn't get my parents to buy it for me, and I never got around to getting one. I did build the Space Shuttle. It was a single by itself kit, suspended from my ceiling in my bedroom by some fishing line, and we had a small earthquake and it just popped the fishing line, and it kind of just sailed from the ceiling, almost made it to my bed, but not quite, and then broke into a bunch of pieces, so that one was toast. But This one, the box was already opened. And of course, my initial fear was, well, the decals are probably going to be messed up. But actually, to my pleasant surprise, the decals, the directions are pretty yellowed, but the decals are in great shape. They're not really yellow at all, and they look really well preserved. So I am super excited about that. This kit I'm definitely going to build. Because like I said, I always wanted to build this kit, and now I have one I can build. And just look at, I can't fit it all the way. This kit's huge. There's my hand. I mean, it's huge. I love it. Actually looks like it's got some semi-good detail on it too. So a lot of raised panel lines. So yeah, this one will be a fun one to do. I can't wait to get started on this one. All right, let me get this out of the way and I'll get the last two kits. Okay, the last two kits are a couple of Gullo's flying model kits. This is the Curtiss P-40 Warhawk, and this is the Supermarine Spitfire Mk1. Now, these are balsa wood models. I have never really built a balsa wood model. I think I got one for a gift one year for Christmas, and it never worked out. So I don't know if I'm going to build this. This one, the kit is open, and the parts are all in here. Well, I guess it does have some plastic on it. So I don't know if I want to try to build one of these again. Wood and me, we're just not good friends. I mean, we can coexist together, but we're not the best of buddies. This one here is actually still sealed in the plastic, and both of these kits are copyright marked 1976. So I didn't see a price tag or anything on here on where they came from. I don't know what these cost back then. So a brief interruption in the video here. My thumb was over the price tag, and I just didn't see the price tag during the video until after, when I was watching it in post. So the price tag says this kit was bought from a Ben Franklin store for $9.50, which at the time, that's a pretty expensive kit. Okay, now back to the video. But being that these are, they still make these from what I understand, but the modern ones are actually laser cut. These are not laser cut. I'm sure these are stamped or something, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. So yeah, so they're cool, and I may build one, the open one, just to give it a shot. I don't know. So that's the end of my quick little update and mail call video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I build these? Should I sell some of them? I mean, are there any here that any of you would really want? I mean, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just going to have fun with them and probably build most of them. Just not sure about these yet. But if anyone wants a really vintage, still sealed Spitfire balsa wood plane, shoot me contact me and see what we can work out. But yeah. All right, so that'll do it for this quick video. Stay tuned. Next week, I have a new video coming out, full build. So watch out for that. Please like, please subscribe, please comment. And everyone, just have a great day out there. Be safe and go build something.